Crunch and Fat Clean friends, here is one thing I will never get in my home. Light fixtures that collect dust on the inside because the bulb is facing up, or light fixtures that have lots of details like chandeliers. Listen, the more there is to clean on a light fixture, the more I'm not going to like it. Neither would you, because if you're paying somebody to do it, it's because you know how time consuming and frustrating it is to clean these type of light fixtures. Sure, they may look cool and nice and pretty and fancy, but come on. I'm just keeping it real. I own a cleaning business for 9 years. I love what I do, but that doesn't mean that I love cleaning everything that I do. I do it because I get paid for it. Some things are not my favorite. These are not. I don't know who invented them, but they need to go hide somewhere and go cry about their decisions in life. And unless they've cleaned them themselves, they can't talk about how great they are, because they're not. I would stick to light fixtures that hang down, that have the light bulb protector, the glass hanging down, because gravity will pull it down. Well, the dust will settle on it, and then you can easily dust it off because it's going down. As opposed to those other ones that are facing up, it gets all the dust and dead bugs trapped around the light bulb inside. I cleaned a client's light fixture, like the long floor standing kind, and it had the bulb facing up, and when I wiped the inside of it, there was a dead bat. I think a baby bat, but it was dead, and it was disgusting. And I felt it crunching as I wiped, and I'm like, ew. So take it from a professional cleaner, get the ones that hang down, and don't get too many like knickknacks and patty whacks and give a dog a bone. It's too much, in my opinion. Too much to clean. And if you do get the little knickknack patty whacks, keep in mind it's going to take a little bit longer, and your cleaner may charge you a little bit more because time is money. So I like to keep it simple. Those are my tips. Crunch Cleaning by Kathy.